What's going on, everybody? Crypto Doctor here. Welcome to my channel on YouTube. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I just want to talk real fast. There's a lot of videos out, and there's so much on my mind about all the Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. I just want to give you guys a little bit of info, what I think and what I've been through. I mean, I used to trade stock and options since 2003, and I've seen a lot of things happen. Day trader since then. I'd had 300% years, 200% years, 100% years, 400% years. Sold, pay some bills, lost some, win some, won big, lost big. So I've seen it. A lot of newcomers coming out, or if they've been in Bitcoin for a while, talking about how great, and follow these charts and follow that charts. Well, first of all, you really can't chart Bitcoin. It's not a stock. It could follow it pretty much, but it's not 100% yet, or maybe ever will be, until Wallstreet gets involved, and that's what I'm going to talk about later too. People say, "Oh, look at it, it's going up, it's going up. See, oh, I'm doing great, I'm doing great." You're just in the ride right now of it, of a bull market for a while now, and then the hype too. So no matter what anybody says, any stockbroker, any doctor, any PhD, anybody who's been in Bitcoin forever, anybody who's new, especially the new people coming out saying go all in, whatever. Bitcoin's great. The cryptocurrency is great. It's a great idea. You can make a lot of money from it. It's a good thing to add to a portfolio. Just don't put everything in it. Only put, like they say, only put what you could lose. Not trying to scare people off, but just let you know, I've had people say, when I saw Apple back in the day at $2, I was trading everything, and I was looking at Apple. I'm like, looking at the chart. I'm like, man, this thing hasn't done anything for like years. I didn't look about the iPod or computer, and everybody's telling you not to buy stuff. So you listen to them because they have 15 years more education than you, and you think they just know better. So think what you know. If you have a gut feeling and you think someone's going to do something, go for it, but just don't go all in. Don't listen to everybody. Get 10% from everybody's thing and form your own opinion. That's number one. Number two, when you have, well, I've seen Wallstreet do this before. They're going to come in for futures. Next week, Chicago, and then next year, New York Stock Exchange. They're going to trade options. You got to look up options. That's what I traded. Options is you're trading futures. You're trading like, I think Apple's going to do poorly this week, or this day, this week, this month, or next year. And I'm going to bet that's going to go down, or I bet it's going to go up. So I'm either going to do a call or put. You're going to call to go it up. You're going to do a put to go it down. You're going to short to go it down, or you're going to just buy a whole bunch saying think it's going to go up. The reason why I believe, and I've seen this before with the stock that I had back in the day, when Wallstreet says they're going to do futures, they want to short the shit out of it. Or actually, number one, they've been left behind. And number two, they want to short the shit out of it to make tons of money going down so they can get in, and then they're going to use that money, take 50% out, and use 50% and buy it to buy it back up. So it's all free, and they're going to kill it. This might be a really good thing or bad thing for, I think it's a good thing for cryptocurrencies in general. So just be wary of that. It's a good time to get into Bitcoin. Everybody's like, oh, I got to buy one Bitcoin. You don't have to buy one Bitcoin. I mean, when it's 100,000, are new people going to come out and buy one Bitcoin? No. Are people going to buy one Apple? No. They're not going to buy one Apple. They're probably going to do options. So Bitcoin's pretty cool because you can buy 0.001, 00101, whatever you want to do. And there's all those altcoins. Just be real careful with the altcoins. Some are just scams. So a lot of stuff's not regulated. So hackers, not regulated, stuff like that. So nothing's insured. So you got to watch out for that. That's why I say don't go all in. So with this futures coming out, it's a good opportunity to get into the stock too. If you get in the stock and you buy some options, let's say, just like in the stock world, hi, I'm gonna buy $50,000 worth of Apple, but you know what? I think it might be a bad month or bad year or bad day, bad week. I want to go into options and short it, maybe $500 for the month, for the week, for the year, $1,000, whatever, to cover it. So you're hedging your bet, which is a good deal, because if it goes down, you're making a ton of money on that. You get your money back because you're in the long run for Apple. So So same thing with this futures coming up. You can also say I want to short it, or you think it's going to go high. For me, I'm not telling you what to do, but for me, I would be like, okay, I'm going to buy some to cover my Bitcoin or my Ripple or my Litecoin or all the other ones that I'm hoarding and collecting and treating them like gold right now. Because that's what I think I'm doing, and most people are doing is treat it like gold. They're not even using it how it should be. So you can go in there, get in the stock market, make an E-Trade account, make a Ameritrade account, get your options clearance, and then as soon as you go in there, you can trade the futures pretty soon next week. So you could do it, $500 on it. Now a lot of people are going to get into this. That's why it's been popping. Just remember, there's people who have been in this. Some people I know who have heard of 300,000 Bitcoin. So I mean, if they just want to sell it and buy Bcash, Bitcoin Cash, they're going to bring down the market, and people are going to follow with them and follow with them in panic. But overall, every time when that thing pulls down, you just buy it and it goes right back up. So people are trying to day trade it, and it's really hard to use charts. Yeah, the charts might look like, oh yeah, cup and handle breakout. I always say cup and handle breakout. It is following it, but it's not 100% because it's not a stock. It's a currency, and it's 24/7, and many other factors. So just be careful out there. There's a lot of things I want to say. I just want to share this really fast with you guys about what Wallstreet is going to do. And be safe, hide your private keys, subscribe to my channel. I'm giving away a Ledger Nano S. I think in 2 weeks here I'll be giving one out on my YouTube channel. Crypto Doctors, crypto and space doctors. All right, have a good one.